Hi, my name's Leka and I'm going to be showing you how to use the box method. In this example, we'll be using the question 0.84 times 0.34. First, you have to round your numbers to the nearest 10 so that it's easier when you estimate. To help you do this, I'm going to explain what Swedish rounding is. The numbers 1 to 4, you round down to the nearest 10. And if the number's 5 to 9, you round up to the nearest 10. Since we are using decimals today, we have to round to a number that's easy to multiply by. For example, the number 1, instead of 0.7, which is a hard number to multiply by. Now I'm ready to round my numbers. 0.84 is close to the number 1, instead of rounding to 0.9, which is technically closer, but it is a hard number to multiply by. I will round my 0.34 to 0.5 because that is also an easy number to work with. Now we do our estimate. I know that sounds silly, but this will help you in later stages. Now you use the numbers that you just rounded and multiply them together. My estimate is 1 times 0.5, which equals 0.5. So that means that the answer that I get at the end should be around the number 0.5. Now it's time for the box. Draw up a box like this. It should have 4 squares. Now you have to forget about the decimals and the zeros at the front of the numbers and make your numbers become whole, 84 and 34. Now you split your numbers by place value. So 84 would become 80 and 4. 34 would become 30 and 4. You have to remember that they're just separate numbers now. Next you'll add all 4 numbers above and beside the box like this. Now you multiply the numbers in a grid form. Here's a tip. To make it easier to multiply the big numbers like 80 and 30, take away the zeros, just multiply 8 and 3, and then just add the zeros back on. Finally, you need to add all the numbers in the boxes up using an algorithm. Now you go back to your estimate, mine being 0.5, and you choose where to put the decimal. This is when that estimating step comes in handy. In this example, I think I should put the decimal at the start of my number because 0.2856 is much closer to 0.5 than 2.856, 28.56 and 285.6. So the answer to 0.84 times 0.34 is 0.2856. Thanks for watching. Bye.